Good morning. This is your girl Tony with Eat and Travel with Tony. This video is all about packing for the winter. The best packing tips for winter travel, and I'm going to give you 5 of those tips. So like I said, let's go ahead and get into this. But before we do, make sure that you, of course, subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to receive all the videos I upload from this point here on out. And if you ain't seen them in the past, go check them out too. I always say that. Y'all better go ahead. Go ahead and subscribe, y'all. So like I said, this is Tony. Let's go ahead and get into this. Like I said, this video is all about the 5 best packing tips for winter travel. Packing for the winter can definitely be tricky. We all know that. But like I said, I got you covered with these 5 easy tips to make it stress-free. And of course, save some money on all that baggage and stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. I got my notes right here. So number 1, layer your clothes instead of packing bulky items. Like I have my little shirt, my little sweater layered and that kind of thing. Make sure that you will, of course, layer those things. You can always take them out, put them on your lap, fold them up in your little carry-on bag, that kind of thing. Like I said, you don't want to stuff all these sweaters and all these heavy coats and that kind of thing inside your luggage bag. Like I said, you want to put, well, if you can't, not put everything on, but like I said, layer your clothes as much as you can with those bulky items to prevent having all this stuff in your luggage to carry on. To check in, because I'm sure you want to put some other stuff in there, some other clothes, some other probably gifts for people, that kind of thing. So like I said, I know it may be hot at times. Take that doggone thing off and put it on your lap. That's how that goes. So like I said, definitely layer your clothes instead of packing bulky items. And I do want to say that also means as far as, because I know we live in Arizona, so going to St. Louis, that kind of thing, of course, it's cold there, so in the wintertime. So, of course, like I said, the last time we actually went last year, still like doing earlier this year too, and doing the winter, almost like, well, at the end of winter, I guess I put it that way. It was still cold, still chilly. So that's what I did too. I took t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, took my little thin sweater and that kind of thing, and my little jacket. Like I said, I did pack the sweater, but I put the jacket on so it won't be, of course, taking up space in my luggage. So like I said, make sure that you think about those things when you're trying to pack and figure out what you're going to pack. You ain't got to take every single thing, but take the things that you're going to need most. And like I said, if you have a big coat that you're going somewhere where it's cold, put that bad boy on and just carry it in your hand or something. So you won't take up all that room in your luggage bag. So I'm sure you're going to get gifts and you're going to give gifts. So you may need room for that. So number 2, roll your clothes to save space in your luggage. And I have tried this and it does definitely work. I don't do the underwear, but I do my pants and my shirts. And if I have like any sweaters or scarves or that, well, the scarves I'll lay flat. But if I have any, like I said, pants and shirts, those are the main things that do get, of course, rolled. I do that now. I didn't do that back in the day. I just fold them up like, back in the day, I just like put them like in like a little stacks of like just folded up clothes. But it does definitely save room, y'all, in your luggage to, of course, like I said, to roll those clothes. Let me know in the comments of your thoughts and if you roll your clothes in your luggage too to save space. Number 3, use the packing cubes to stay organized. I'm at work, so I cannot show you our packing cubes. I'm going to show you again and show you that in another video because we do have packing cubes at home, and those are the little cubes that you can just say, for instance, this notebook. It's a packing cube. You can stuff all your underwear in there, your socks, your bras, that kind of thing to make your bag more organized and to, of course, save you some space too, because I know sometimes that stuff gets bulky. It's all over the place. You're trying to figure out what to put where. Like I said, you'll know because you'll know exactly what's in your little packing cubes. And like I said, I'll show y'all another video with the packing cubes so I can actually show y'all what I'm talking about. I'm at work, I ain't got none here, so just keep that in mind. So number 3. Pack waterproof shoes for snowy or rainy conditions. Just keep in mind that some of the places y'all are going to may have, of course, it may be snowing. Just like I said, going back to St. Louis. St. Louis does snow, it does ice too, and it does rain too. But like I said, definitely packing those waterproof shoes to make sure that you have something to wear so your socks won't be all wet up and mushy and that kind of thing. Or you won't get, because of course they can make you sick over time. You're constantly doing that and getting your feet wet and it's like 20 degrees outside and that kind of thing. So pack those waterproof shoes. Yes, try to put them in your bag to save some space, but like I said, definitely pack those too. Shoes or boots. So I know some places you need some snow boots. So if you got to pack them snow boots, I know it takes some space, pack them snow boots. Because you don't want to be out here freezing trying to look cute in some heels and it's 20 degrees of snow. So pack them snow boots. So number 5, Don't forget your essentials like gloves, scarves, and a compact umbrella. You never know the place that you're going to. Sometimes it can start raining, just like St. Louis. Tucson has monsoon sometimes, and it just starts raining out of nowhere. So, like I said, you definitely have to pack them umbrellas. And like I said, those hats, the hats, gloves, and scarves. Depends on where you're going, what's going on with the weather. Now, if you're going somewhere tropical, pack the doggone swimming suit. I put it that way. So swimming suit and flip flops. But like I said, otherwise, making sure that you're packing something to keep you warm. And like I said, if you want to keep those things on your person, just put them on. Just know that when you go through TSA, you're going to have to take it all off and then put it back on so that you can, of course, carry it with you if you want to carry it with you. So I know we went to actually in October when we had missed our darn cruise, and you can see that video on this page too. We flew into Detroit. Of course, leaving here to Tucson, it was like in the 70s, 80s, still warm. Getting to Detroit, it was halfway raining, whatever it was doing, freezing cold. We didn't have any kind of hats, gloves, scarves. We had like our little jackets, freezing to death, but that's our lesson, y'all, to make sure that we pack for those kind of weathers too. I put it that way. Because like I said, that's one thing that we did not have with us. We did not have gloves, hats, or scarf. We just had to zip up our jackets and make the best of it. So, because we had to go back outside, back and forth, trying to get to the terminals and this kind of thing. It was a total mess. Like I said, you can check out that video on this page as well. So that's all the 5 tips, y'all, I have for y'all. So the question I'm asking y'all to put in the comments, what is your number 1 packing tip? Let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned for the next video, y'all. I need to be a rapper now. What? I'll see y'all in the next video. Again, this is Toni with Eating Travel with Toni. Peace out, y'all. Make sure that y'all subscribe. I'll talk to y'all later. Well, now let me see. Let me know in the comments below, and then stay tuned for the next video. That's what I meant to say. That's the rap line. So again, y'all, I'm just joking. But again, the question is, what is your number 1 packing tip? Put it in the comments, y'all, below. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, I'm getting off her. Go ahead, y'all. Have a good one.